Hello guys, this is Ramesh from Gears Chennai. Welcome back to another video. This is Sridhar from Team Gears.
Hello.
Today's video is going to be all about XDI gears. So for XDI, we are the exclusive dealer for Chennai region. These are the XDI gloves which is in stock now. And these are two types of jackets. This is professional riding jacket and this is a hoodie jacket which you can use it for your daily commute. So first, let's get started with the gloves. Let me put on the gloves. This particular gloves is being built with mesh as well as leather. And it has Tpu protection for your knuckles, and of course it has the palm sliders for your palm. This is a half gloves, so you won't have it till your wrist. This particular gloves has a inbuilt wiper cleaner for your visors in monsoon ride. And this index finger will have touch sensitivity as well, so that you can use your mobile while riding. Apart from this is a good build quality gloves. It is moreover comfortable as well. This gloves is being priced at 2,599 rupees only.
So let's get into jackets. The model name is Rage. It has a hoodie and it is CE protected. It has a elbow and shoulder paddings. And it has a back padding as well, and it has a branding in the behind XDI, and it has a reflector also. And let's get into the another jacket. This is a model name is Octane, and the difference between this and that, this is a professional looking jacket, and it has thermal layer and a rain layer, and you can even adjust your hip as well as your arms. All these are reflector pipings in the arms.
This particular Octane jacket is being priced at 5,200 rupees.
This Rage jacket is priced at 4,900 rupees, and there's another color option also, fluorescent color. And if you would like to place an order, kindly ping us here and here.
If you really like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe to us. Thank you.
Bye guys.
நான் வீடியோ எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். எங்க போறீங்க? என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க? தம்ப்நெயிலுக்கா? இதே நான் ப்ளூப்பர் மாதிரி போட்டு விட்டுட்டேன்னா வீடியோ முடியும்னா நான் போட தான் போகிறேன். சரி தொப்பை இழுத்து தானே பிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன்.